In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to join your friends in Assassin's Creed Unity. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. To my knowledge, there are three main ways to join your friends and play together on Assassin's Creed Unity. You will be able to do any co-op missions together, walk around the map, interact with each other, and it is usually a very straightforward process. So the first option that you have, if you are already inside of the game, is to pause, and if you look through all of the options, one of them is going to be play together. If you hover over play together at the right side of the screen, you can see your current party. You should be on the first slot, and there should be 3 empty slots or free slots if you are playing alone. Underneath the free slots, you have the options to invite players or play co-op now. Playing co-op now is just going to match you with strangers, so for this video specifically, let's ignore that. Go over to invite players, and you should be able to see the friends list of your Ubisoft account, as long as your Ubisoft account was properly set up when you went to the account management page on their website, you linked your PSN account or your console account if you are playing on different platforms, you should be able to see your friends in there. So invite them and they will be able to join you to play together. Alternatively, if you walk up to any co-op mission on the map, there are going to be 3 options: play in public, play in private, and then invite friends. So choose either of these to be matched up, but of course, if you have access to invite players, this is going to be the best option possible to make sure that you only play with people you know. The last option that I would recommend is before starting a game, go back to the home screen and you will be able to go into the social tab in there where you can find the clubs and manage your friends of your Ubisoft account. If you are able to join a club with all of your friends, you should be able to go over to their profile at any time, and when you select them, the option to invite to a game before starting is also going to be available. Regardless of which method you pick, as long as you can interact with their profile, you will find the option to invite to a game. I hope I was able to help you on how to join your friends in Assassin's Creed Unity. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.